Good night, little chickens. Good night to all the little chickens. Good night. Gotta make sure that they're all safe and sound for the night so nothing can get in here and attack my chickens. Closing up their little yard. No, they do not have access to the yard at night. And here's our little laying room. I don't have the light on, so you probably can't see anything. Our little chicken thing that says, "Welcome to our nest." It's pretty dark in here, you can't really see much. But yes, it's very foggy, as you can see, and it's getting thicker.